Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out. And on today's episode, we're going to be jumping into our 2018 Chevy Cruze, and we're going to be replacing this this sun visor right here. As you can see, it definitely has broken right here, so we're going to get this old one out and get a new one in and get it taken care of. So in order to get this out of here, looks like there's just a little cover right here we can pop off. In order to do that, I've just got a little flathead screwdriver. I'm just going to kind of slide it into here and pop it off right there, which, there we go, looks like it's it. Just watch out for your headliner if you're going to be using a screwdriver around it. So, but that pops off pretty easily, and there's got a little slit in it right here, so we can probably rotate it around and get that off of here. In order to remove this, this is going to be a Torx bit. It's going to be a T15. All right, so there it is. Okay, once we get these 3 screws out on this right here, there's this clip right in here. You can see it a little better this way. There's 2 tabs on each side. You're gonna have to release those. I used a flathead screwdriver to do it. Once you get those released and you're kind of pulling down a little bit, there's a tab right here as well as a tab over here that you're gonna have to kind of fish your screwdriver into there and disconnect them. I don't know how you guys can see that right there, but there's one right here, and then there's gonna be one up here. So once you get those disconnected, you can kind of just pop it out. Just be careful when you're doing that, because it's just a little plastic piece that this clips up to into up in the ceiling here. So that is our old one. Now we can get our new one installed. Okay, so for the new sun visor, we should just be able to pop it on into the old holes. And there we go, that's pretty much it right there. So now we can go on ahead and we can reattach our screws and we should be good. Okay, so that is all there is to installing the new sun visor in our 2018 Chevy Cruze. If you guys are interested in picking up one of these sun visors for your Chevy Cruze, I will have a link in the description below for this. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.